Okay, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation, just doing a roof inspection for somebody that had cellulose put in the roof, and they rang me up because the bats that were put in the extension made a bigger difference than this end of the house, and so they said, oh look, we want the cellulose pulled out because it obviously doesn't work anywhere near as well as bats. And so of course the reason why it doesn't work is because it's just not pumped in properly. For starters, there's a downlight here with no shroud over it, but if you have a look up through the roof, I shouldn't be able to see these joists here, and if you look all the way up through the roof you can see joists all the way through there, and also out towards the edges it's light everywhere, so that's, you know, it's like a blanket at home during winter. If you put one blanket on and you're still cold, well then you needed two blankets. It doesn't mean the blanket didn't work, it just means that it wasn't thick enough. And if we have a look here, a lot of people, my competitors, will tell people that, well, it must have settled. Well, have a look at this bit here. If it had settled, that insulation would have broken away and gone down like this, right? But it didn't settle because there was no separation there. You know, even here there's a little crack there now, right? But that wouldn't have, that didn't happen. It didn't settle. It was just pumped in light to start with. So so that's just subcontractors in the industry saving a few dollars. And if we keep going up here, see those bays over there? There's nothing at all in the ends of those. 1% gaps reduces your efficiency by 30%, and 5% gaps reduces your efficiency by 70%. So if you've got R1 on 50% of the job, it makes a big difference. So anyway, instead of R3. So now if we just keep coming up through here, you can see all of the bays are the same. They're all just a bit light all the way through. Okay, so this is cellulose all the way through to that wall there, right? But see how low it is out towards the edges, right? And like some of these, obviously, you know, this obviously needs a lot more in it, but these joists at this end have actually changed size, but they're about a 95mm joist, and so some of it will be struggling to be 50mm, you know, like over there. You know. So anyway, we can top that up and fix it up, or I can vacuum it all out and put in bats. It's up to the customer, but putting in bats won't make it a better job unless it's done and installed properly too. So, alright, thanks very much for your time. Hope this helps people. Oh, just before I go, obviously those flues there aren't installed properly either, and there's a downlight over there too that's been installed afterwards. But you see the cellulose isn't going to fall into the light at all or anything like that. It's just not very pretty. It's not the way we do it.